Welcome, folks. Today, we're making life easier because who doesn't want automation to do the heavy lifting? Ansible playbooks define what needs to be done, and Jenkins makes sure it happens smoothly. The combo ensures efficient deployments and fewer errors. So buckle up, because automation is about to save us a lot of trouble. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Meet Ansible and Jenkins, the power duo of DevOps. Ansible keeps infrastructure consistent, while Jenkins takes care of builds, tests, and deployments. Think of them as a reliable team working behind the scenes, making sure you don't have to babysit servers and manually deploy code. Sounds good, right? Let's dive deeper. You might ask, why bother integrating Ansible with Jenkins? Well, imagine having to manually configure servers every time there's an update. Tedious, right? This integration makes deployments effortless, consistent, and fast, leaving you with more time for coffee breaks or debugging if you're feeling adventurous. Before we jump into setting things up, let's make sure we've got all the essentials. Jenkins should be running, Ansible needs to be installed, SSH access should be configured, and necessary plugins must be in place. Think of this as your checklist before liftoff. Alright, let's start by cloning the Ansible repository in Jenkins. First, make sure Jenkins has the right permissions, because trust me, nothing's more frustrating than a denied request. Then, we use the Git plugin to pull in the Ansible repository. We'll set up webhooks to automate updates so changes are picked up instantly. Finally, always verify the clone, because debugging a broken repository is not a weekend activity. Now, let's get that Ansible playbook running inside Jenkins. First, install the Ansible plugin. Without it, your playbooks won't run, and that would be tragic. Then, we define a Jenkins job to trigger playbook execution. Don't forget to pass variables and inventory files. Otherwise, the playbook will be as useful as an umbrella in a hurricane. Finally, always check the logs, unless, of course, you enjoy guessing whether your deployment succeeded. Here's the thing, if you don't monitor your playbook execution, you're flying blind. So first, enable logging in Jenkins. It's like keeping receipts for your deployments. Then use Ansible's verbose mode, because more details mean fewer surprises. If you want to take it a step further, integrate Prometheus for detailed insights. Lastly, set up alerts, because the last thing you want is a playbook failing silently while you blissfully sip your coffee. Errors. The unavoidable guests in automation. Start by checking the logs. They usually hold the secrets to failure. Try a dry run. It's like rehearsing before a big show. Use error handling features to gracefully manage failures. And when all else fails, debug step by step. Because every problem has a solution, it just enjoys hiding sometimes. Want a smooth Ansible Jenkins integration? Here are the golden rules. Keep playbooks modular, because the more reusable they are, the less effort you'll spend. Version control is your best friend. It prevents unexpected misconfigurations. Automate everything, because doing the same task manually is just unnecessary punishment. And of course, security, because no one wants an automation nightmare. So what's next? First, refine your Jenkins pipeline, because efficiency is king. Then dive deeper into Ansible's advanced features. There's always more to learn. Expand monitoring, because proactive issue detection is always better than firefighting. And finally, continuously improve based on real-world feedback, because automation is a journey, not just a destination. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.